big news is here. Kerala is going to be known as Keralam now. Yes, Union Cabinet has given approval for this, right? So in this video, we are going to discuss all about it, the constitutional provision, the why there is a need for change from Kerala to Keralam, and is there any other examples also previously we have done. What are the political and federal significance from mains point of view? What conclusion you can write on such kind of question? One prelims question and one mains question we are going to see in this video. Watch till the end. So as you know, what is the news here? The news here is that the decision has been made. Okay, now what is the constitutional procedure here? The constitutional provision is Article 3. Article 3 talks about the change in the names. It has the provision to change the boundaries, bifurcate the states, join the states. If you want to change the name, that is also the provision which is there in Article 3 of the Indian Constitution. So how it is done? The first is that there is a need for the proposal has to be made by the state legislature. However, if the union cabinet, that is the central government, also want, they can also start this. Okay, then this goes to the union cabinet, approval is required. Okay, here it shows the significance of the central government in changing the name of the state, bifurcating the state, merger of the state. Central government is highly powerful here. Okay, so the central cabinet approval is required. Once that approval is done, then the president has to refer the bill to the concerned state assembly. For example, in this case, now the president will be referring that bill to the Kerala State Legislative Assembly. Then a bill of Kerala alteration of the name bill has to be introduced in the parliament. The parliament will be the authority to approve it. Once it is approved, then it will go for the president consent, then it will become the act. Then what will happen is that first schedule will be amended. As we know, there are 12 schedules currently. The first schedule covers the names of the different state. It has the list. So since we are changing the name of the Kerala to Keralam, hence first schedule has to be modified, amended. So that is important. So two things you have to remember here. Article 3 is the article which is used, not Article 2, not Article 2. Second, cabinet NOD is important. The president has to refer to the state assembly. Parliament has to pass this bill. With what majority, they can ask? What majority? Simple majority is required. No special majority is required. Okay. Then there will be amendment to the first schedule of the Indian Constitution, and finally official gazette will be notified, and then this name change formally gets done. Now the parliament has this final authority. State opinion is non-binding. As you know, Indian federal is not completely federal, right? Indian federal is unitary biased federal. That's why some some politicians have called it as the quasi-federal. And hence, here also the union power is clearly visible. Next is that why this change is required at this point of time. See, Kerala has been changed to the Keralam, is going to be changed as the Keralam, central NOD is done. See, Keralam is the original Malayalam name. As we know, the Malayalam is the state language of the Kerala. Kerala word has been evolved during the colonial time. It's a colonial usage. Colonial people have called it as Kerala, but original Malayalam name was Keralam. Okay, it reflects that its linguistic identity, because Keralam is the Malayalam word. So the Malayalam identity gets strengthened. That cultural authenticity reflects because it derives from the Malayali culture. Next is that civilizational continuity, which is continuing in the Kerala civilization. Okay, that point also very, very important. Similar, it's not like the first time it has happened. Similar name changes has happened in India since independence. For example, Madras was transformed into the Tamil Nadu in 1969. Mysore was changed to Karnataka in 1973. Uttaranchal was converted to Uttarakhand in 2007. Odisha was converted to the Orissa to Odisha in 2011. Pondicherry to Puducherry in 2006. These kind of changes has been already made by the government, that is Indian Parliament. Next is the political and federal consequences or the significance of this. The first significance is that it shows the cooperative federalism where the state and the union are collaborating. In the past few months, we have seen certain conflict between the state of Kerala and central government along with the other states also. Such kind of initiative where both state and the central are collaborating, it can help in strengthening the cooperative federalism. At the same time, it shows the linguistic, nationalism of India, that is the linguistic diversity of India. We are preserving our linguistic culture, and that is one of the our key feature of Indian society. This is also important from indigenization of the place names. As we know, we have seen over the time that many place names has been changed in order to decolonize our culture, our names, right? For example, Rajpath was converted to Kartavyapath. Recently, one place, very popular place, that is the related to the Prime Minister office, name has been changed. What is that name? You need to comment in the comment box. In the conclusion, you can say that such kind of name change so strengthen the cultural federalism. Cultural federalism, this is the key word, cultural federalism, where center state collaborate. At the same time, it also strengthen our cultural identity. Based on this discussion, this question, try to solve it. Under which article of the Indian Constitution does Parliament have this power to change the name of an existing state? Parliament, okay? You need to, the options are Article 1, Article 2, Article 3 and Article 368. You need to comment what is the right answer. One mains question also you can attempt, that is the discuss constitutional procedure and significance of renaming Indian states with reference to the Keralam decision. In 10 marker 151 you can attempt, and if you want, you can share. There is a dedicated Telegram channel by Sarat Chandra IS Academy. There you can share your answers. Okay, so put the right answer in the comment box. We'll definitely see and reply. Thank you so much. Keep watching Sarat Chandra IS Academy. If you want such kind of content, then please subscribe to our channel and keep following. Thank you so much.